city. We are cruising to support the city of Van Nuys. This time we are cruising with all these BMWs, and soon when I get there, hopefully we don't get in traffic. Yeah, so see you guys at the meet in Van Nuys. We just arrived here to Van Nuys, California, and we have plenty of different cars over here. It's pretty much BMWs, but we have a Lamborghini over here, which is very impressive. It's a wide body and it's super nice. And we are here again with ValleyBMW. Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you too. The other day we met City of Ontario supporting SoCal Autobahn, and today we met again here in Van Nuys. Tell me what we are doing here.
We're here to support Urbxn Canvxs. Urbxn Canvxs is hosting this meet for us, and they got a couple other, but the AA Autoworks. So, and then Liqui Moly. So ValleyBMWs came to show support here.
That's good.
I came myself, and then my right-hand man here, Isaac, which is F30.
F30 83. We came here to support. Basically, it's a really nice get-together. Got sponsorship by Liqui Moly, Project A, the tuners. You know, a lot of people showed up. Super nice cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're enjoying a nice weather.
It's nice weather today. You guys like to drive, that's perfect.
Yeah,
we like
that's what we're about.
We enjoy our cars.
That's
we
good.
keep it safe, you know. And,
yes.
Yeah, that's about it.
So you don't want to keep the value of the car. You just want to use the car as your value,
we
right?
bought it to use it.
Yeah.
That's the good thing.
We like pretty pictures,
Our
but
car serves us. We don't serve.
That's the good thing, because some people drive, I mean, like, keeps their car like with low mileage, never drive them because they're scared of high mileage and low prices, right, after resales.
Yeah. It's not a show car.
But the thing is, like, I mean, like, you are in a club to enjoy your car, not to say, oh, my car is in the garage, just park, you know. Yeah. So that's the thing.
To each their own. Some people, that's what they like.
Yes, some people, if you have the money, go for it, right?
Hey,
we don't, so that's what we're doing. Right? So let's do this, man.
All right, man.
So
but we are looking for tire sponsors.
Okay.
Any tire sponsors?
If you have a sponsorship for all of us, please contact us. Yeah. We have plenty of people that need a sponsorship.
Yes.
Okay.
Tires always.
Always, man. We are here with Liqui Moly.
My name is Mike. Yes.
And you have something to tell us about some products of Liqui Moly as well, too, right?
Yeah, for sure, man. I mean, you know, Liqui Moly is a German company, and we're known as a German company selling German oil for German cars, but we're a much, much bigger company than that. We have a full line of additives for fuel and oil, transmission. We have a full line of gear oils as well. But today, let's talk about fuel systems, right?
Yes.
So today's gasoline is very has a high methanol or a high ethanol content, right?
Yes.
Up to 10%. Well, that's essentially alcohol, which is very corrosive to fuel systems. Can cause leaks, can cause misfires, clogged injectors, right? GDI especially is susceptible to this gasoline, right? So, and a lot of people, even though they're using 91 octane gasoline, they're using kind of the cheaper versions of 91, right?
What?
You got, man, you got to use a high quality gasoline like a Shell or a Chevron, or a Mobil, right?
Okay.
Stay away from the Arco. Not that, you know, Arco's, you know, but I recommend using a high quality gasoline. But anyway, the gasoline system cleaner right here will help keep the system cleaned up, clean fuel injectors, help keep the fuel pump operating properly, right? So we always recommend a gasoline system cleaner. And then our number one additive, Jectron, is a great additive. You use it about every 1,200 miles, and it's got an anti-corrosive property in there. So it'll help combat the corrosiveness caused by the alcohol in today's gasoline.
Oh, it will dissolve it, okay.
Yep.
Cool.
And that's every 12 to 1,500 miles.
Can you use it both at the same time?
Absolutely.
And if the tank has to be full all the time, or it gotta be like a
minimum 7 gallons.
Oh, 7 gallons.
Minimum 7 gallons. But a full tank is better. That way you get the best bang for your buck. So
okay.
You only need to do this like once or twice.
Oh, okay.
So that's good for up to 16 gallons.
I'm super happy that Liqui Moly house cover, right?
Yep.
Liqui Moly have you cover with this and with other additives. have some more products to cover, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna meet you or meet your other partners in the future to cover more products about Liqui Moly, which is an amazing product, especially for high performance vehicles, right?
Oh yeah, and it's good for low performance vehicles too. It'll make a low performance vehicle a high performance
okay,
vehicle.
that's the good thing. That's what we want, right? Yeah. Getting extra power out of a regular car, right?
Exactly.
So, there we have it. So.
Yep, very good.
Here I have this beautiful Ford GT, and here I have the owner. What's your name?
My name's Evan Gaskin.
I'm Francisco, and nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you with this amazing car.
Thank you.
Tell me about your car.
Oh wow, it's a 2019 Ford GT. You can't just go buy one. You have to fill out an application with Ford and let them know why you deserve a Ford GT. The first round, they didn't let me buy one.
Oh yes?
When they announced it again, I did it again. I made a video. I showed them how much I want to do it. I showed them that I want to drive it. I want to bring it places. And Ford let me purchase this car. So I ended up actually going to Canada, where they actually assemble the car and put it together at the Multimatic factory.
That's amazing.
Multimatic is one of the top racing companies that builds things for a lot of racing companies. I would assume every company. But it's been an amazing journey. I finally got it. I love it. I can't wait to take it. I'm going to take it to Willow Springs. I'm going to race it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, that's the thing. I mean, you own a Ford GT. This is meant to race, right? To enjoy it, right?
Yeah. Everyone I know is like, they're taking the car and they're putting it in a garage.
Yes, I know. Yes, because they want to keep the value. That's all.
Right, but a car like this should be driven, right?
Yes.
You got to drive it.
You got to drive it.
You got to drive it.
You got to enjoy it. You got to enjoy it.
You got to drive this car because it's meant to be driven.
Yes.
Hands down. This is the Carbon Series. This is the Carbon Series. So you'll notice that I've got carbon stripes.
Yes.
The whole car is carbon. Everything about this car is carbon.
It's full
carbon deal. It weighs approximately 3,020 pounds.
Oh, super light.
With fluid, I think it's, obviously more with the fluid. It handles like a dream. I was scared to drive it when I first got it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I would feel the same way. But tell me something. I, as a car guy, right? Owning a car like this, I would be scared to park it everywhere. Do you feel the same?
Not only am I scared, but you have to be really careful. And I don't take it out all the time. I don't let valet parkers take it. I'd rather pay a valet parker $50 so I can park it and take 2 spaces.
Yes.
Having a car like this, it costs you money, but you're protecting your investment. I completely wrapped this car, bottom, top, and it's just
to protect it, because I'm pretty sure I'll feel the same way. I'll be scared if I leave the car parked outside just going for a meal. I'll be scared than someone, because everybody wants to take a picture, right? Everybody wants to lay on it and they can get scratched with the keys like this, right? And I will feel so devastated if I find out.
It's always on my mind. It's always on my mind about who's around my car. If there's been people that have tried to take pictures, they have keys. I tell them, I'm like, please just respect.
Yes.
But talking about respect, this car has to be respected.
Yes, that's right. I don't want to even touch it because this car deserves a spot where you are the only owner and you are the only one that drives it. I feel that way because it costs you so
sexy.
Right.
It's the sexiest car I've ever seen.
Man, I don't know, but I can feel how you feel about this car. I can feel the thrill. I can feel the excitement. I can feel that this is a gift then probably you're never gonna forget in your life. Right?
This is, my wife says that she's gonna bury me with this car. So this car is going nowhere. Absolutely nowhere.
Nowhere.
This is my car.
I'm pretty sure I will feel the same way, but anyway, I really appreciate your opportunity to review your car, which is a very amazing. I don't have any other words to say because you can call it as many different names, but this is your baby.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
This
is
your
my
baby.
second wife.
Yes, second wife. Yeah, and probably she obeys more.
I hope so. When I take this car to the track, I hope it obeys me.
Yeah, obeys more. That's the thing. That's why I say to some guys, like, a girl, I would say something, but a car never says no.
Yeah.
A car, unless it breaks, right? Then you have to pay to fix it. But anyway, thank you for the opportunity.
No problem. Thanks for coming by. Peace out.
Here the amazing exhaust with Lamborghini, and here we have the Lamborghini with you, Kenny, right? You are one of the owners of the shop. Tell me what this Lamborghini is doing here. It's too crazy right now. Okay, let's continue.
Right, so we have the LP700-4. This is
That's what you get when you get to these meets, you know, like so impressive. But
okay, so you have like your Lamborghini Huracans,
yeah,
your Aventadors, and then you have your Aventadors LP700s.
Yes.
Which is pretty much the big daddy.
It's the top of top.
It's the top of the line. So we got it on the full Liberty Walk suspension. I mean Liberty Walk wide body with an airlift suspension and a full IP exhaust. So it's pretty much the straight pipe Lamborghini.
Oh,
that's why it is so loud.
That's right. You can see fire on the tailpipe, right? So, you guys work on these cars already?
Yes, we do. We do Lamborghinis, Ferraris, BMWs, anything you want, you can name it. We'll do the bodywork, the paint, the wheel wraps, suspensions. My specialty here is the suspension.
Oh, you do suspension.
So like airlift performance, AccuAir, universal air suspension. Yeah, I deal with it here. Wheels, tires, and some tuning to an extent.
Yes, so pretty much you work on exotic cars.
Exactly.
Do you offer any services in other type of cars or just exotics?
No, we don't only focus on exotics. I mean, that's the majority of our clients, but I mean, we don't discriminate.
Yes, that's true.
We go for everybody.
Performance is everywhere, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It doesn't matter what type Browns is.
Exactly. It's like you have your luxury and then you have your BMWs. Like I have an M4 myself and I love BMWs.
I have an M4 too, so we're brothers now. Yes. What is going on today, this meet? Tell me what it's for.
So today, the shop was a little bit empty, and you know, so we decided just to clean everything, and we saw all this space, and I met Nico about 2 months ago, and I was like, hey Nico, like, let's just throw a gathering, let's throw a meet. So
that's good.
See what the turnout is, so I'll clean up the shop, which is what we did, and here we are.
That's good. We came all the way from Fontana, California.
Really?
Yes. So we're like far away from here because we like to support other communities as well, you know. And it's I like to see what you, as an enthusiast and someone that gets down and works on a car, can do for us. And that's very impressive because, you know, that's how we are getting it together. You know, like we are supporting each other. Impressive. I like the workshop, you know, like you have plenty of different cars over here to display.
Yeah, we work on a lot.
Yeah, and pretty much BMWs because it's a BMW meet, right? But having cars like this, the 4GT over there, it's like impressive because, I mean, we're showing them, you know, performance is everywhere, and you don't have to feel discriminated if you have a regular performance car and a high performance car like this one, right?
Yeah,
like a supercar it will be. But yeah, we are an enthusiast, and thank you for the opportunity to talking about your shop and everything. Pretty sure we want to meet again, you know.
That's good.
What's your name, man?
Nico.
Tell me about your club.
So we're not really a club. We're a collective of just BMW drivers. We're based in California. We originated in Los Angeles, but we actually reached San Francisco. We reached San Diego. We have a chapter of an area in Nevada. Like I said, we're pretty much open to any BMW driver. It doesn't matter if you're part of a club, whatever. No, we're not about that. We're about inclusivity, not exclusivity.
Okay, that's good to know. So you are an open community.
Yeah.
That's pretty much what it is. Every car, right, can come to you, or it has to be BMW?
Only BMW.
Okay.
So what I mean by inclusive is that we're inclusive in the sense that It's purely BMW, but you don't have to be part of our group or our
okay,
club
okay.
or whatever. Meaning anybody could come, but we're exclusively only for BMW.
Okay, and what do we have here today?
So right here we did an event with AA Autoworks. Later, bro. And it was pretty much a joint venture that we did. We had sponsors like Liqui Moly, Daniel's Tacos. We had chemical guys, they left already. And pretty much what it was just a nice event to bring more BMW enthusiasts together.
Yes, because we came from Fontana, California actually to support you, because we heard about this because of ValleyBMWs, because Valleys went to Ontario the other day and he told us about your movement going on here. So it was pretty cool because it's crazy right now.
A lot of cars, man.
A lot of cars. So, yeah, it was pretty cool because we get to know different BMWs enthusiasts, right? And you got them all together today, which is pretty impressive. And thank you for your time anyway. I know you're busy right now, and we just try to cover as much as we could. So the dogs are driving that one. All right, thank you. BMW logo. Check it out.
This guy.
Oh. Everything clean here. Clean.
Oh.
I don't know what he was.
No. We don't even know what he was doing.